So this is what my life looked like for a while. Open sea.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Gotta be out here with you.
Did you sleep well?
Oh yeah. That bed.
That bed is so nice.
So
My voice sounds a little rocky today because it just does. We got room service. I'm excited for this room service. Oh, that is not room service. That Matt went to Cabanas to go pick that up for us. But we got bagels, some danishes, and a cinnamon bun,
cereal,
coffee, cereal, and a fruit plate. That's what we got for breakfast. I am 100% certain I have a cold now. So washing my hands, making sure nobody else gets sick is my #1 priority now. So yeah. And Peter Pan just went walking by. You know, as he does, just walking around the ship. I'm quickly learning that there is no way to do everything you want to do in the times that you really want to do it while you're here. First sight of land all day. That is Cuba. And the bigger city that you kind of see off in the distance there. Right about there, that's Havana. Now, of course, on the screen it looks tiny, tiny. So let me view in a little bit.
I want to say we're about.
That's about how big it looks to us. Just got done watching Ralph Breaks the Internet, which was nice.
Yeah,
It's a good
really
movie.
good. It's really nice out. Like we're in our stateroom's near a shade, so we're not like baked in the sun.
Yeah, it's about 80 degrees right now.
Yeah.
The captain said we should be picking up probably another degree or 2 before we get a little closer to Cozumel. We're gonna just chill for a little while here on our wonderful veranda.
It is day 2 on a Disney cruise. As you see, my significant other is a little bit under the weather and is taking a well-needed nap. Tonight's formal night, so I'm probably head back in the room in a little bit, get the missus up, and maybe we'll start getting ready, start getting dressed, and then maybe walk around, see the captain, stuff like that, take some pictures with a couple of characters, and just enjoy the night.
Matt's very happy. We're both very happy. I feel much restored, by the way. PF is nice, and then we're headed into O'Gill's, where the Super Bowl will be playing.